Hey, what's going on? This is Seth Harrison with Actionable Insights here. I have Chris Trenner with Emergency Packout Co. We had a few follow-up questions to our Using Matterport Cameras in a Restoration Environment series about the Litra light setup system and how you put it all together. So Chris, why don't you show us how you actually put together this light system?
It can be a little tricky without some explanation, but if you've seen the previous videos, you'll know what we have. We have our Litra Torch Lights, Litra double mount, our 1/4 tripod mount adapters, and the good looking GoPro suction cup. Pretty simple once you really get into it. It's not that tricky, just kidding. First thing we do, I always take my mount, throw my 1/4-20s on it, put them straight in.
And based on the cases and everything that you guys are using, this is something that you just set up once, right?
Yeah, we leave it together in there. If you watch the previous video, it's all together in there. And then it mounts to our suction cup.
You're just sticking it in there. Putting in the stabilizer.
There we go.
And then if I remember correctly, you have something on top of the Matterport camera that you've put there in order to help the suction cup actually adhere to the camera.
Yeah, we have the adhesive mounting disc essentially, and it's going to allow for a better suction. We have the camera a little bit lower than we normally have it just for this video's purpose. Get these things all dialed in here. And we're off.
Locking it down on the back side.
Exactly. And then we can always get our exact angle that we want.
Untwisting at the top, tightening it up on the bottom.
Exactly. And you're all set.
You're good to go. Awesome. Well, hopefully this helps you guys understand a little bit more about the lighting setup system for the Matterport cameras in a restoration environment. Thank you, Chris.
My pleasure.
For hanging out, breaking it down for us, and then putting it back together so we have a good idea of how it works. Thank you.